Hello, this is Gene from myfixsmartphone.com. Today, I got the right side Joy-Con for the Nintendo Switch, and these are pretty cheap to buy one, but the customer wants to keep like this kind of stuff and just complain this button does not respond, and it's such a waste to replace this module just because of that. So I wanted to show you how to fix that. And okay, so you need a tri-ring screw to remove this 4 screws here. And prise open pretty easy. Just make sure there's flex here, so you don't want to break that. So make sure get that off. And here's the battery, rechargeable battery. And for this top button you need to access to top button, we have to take this all out. So there's 1, 2, 3 screws, 3 Phillips. Okay, before you move forward, this detachable battery is in here, so you need to remove that. Gently pry it up. The battery is removed, and you gotta get that spring out. That's detached. Take that out. Battery. Let's see. This flips open. Take the flex out, and there's a problem. So obviously the switch came out. Actually, it's broken off. So this one here, all you have to do is make the connection to make it work. Usually at this point, it's not gonna be too easy to put this solder back on there, because you can see the pad are ripped. So that means I have to run a jumper to the PCB board and get this thing fixed. So at this point, is it gonna be worth fixing this and charge the labor and do all the work to get this thing here? And honestly, the market value of this Joy-Con is not too expensive. So you might just wanna quit if you find this and just get yourself another Joy-Con. Or like if you have like DIY guide and have all the right tools, then I guess we can do it. So I'm gonna try to fix this and see and show you it can be done. Okay, so what I did was to put a heavy solder to joint so that it doesn't break off. Probably, it gets pushed too much, it probably eventually will break. and those two ripped pads has been jumped. And then I gotta do some cleaning up, put it together, and see if it works. All right, so I got this turned on, installed the remote, and you know, I don't really know how to play this, but what I know is when I press this, you can see it's reacting, so the button is fixed. So this is one way to fix it, I guess, to help the environment rather than wasting the good joystick. So I just wanted to make some video for this. If you have any questions, you can put a comment and I'll reply as much as possible. Thanks for watching.